you'll need to put the wings in place. Can't have a wing glider without wings. When these wings are in place, you'll fly and see Bert better than any dragon. You'll see some bronco eggs, which are well known to explode when they hatch. But don't worry, they only hatch in exactly these conditions at exactly this time of year. Which means that starting here would be a really bad idea.